Is problem solving leaving your students puzzled? Get ready to transform math practice opportunities so students can triumph over math problems with Didax problem-solving practice cards. Each set contains 100 classroom-tested cards aligned to standards and built to last. They don't just present problems, they suggest effective problem-solving strategies like drawing a picture, using a model, or solving an equation. These cards empower students to progress to a deep application of math concepts, empowering them to reason mathematically. They build mathematical fluency, conceptual understanding, and problem solving through topics ranging from geometry and data to operations and algebraic thinking. Plus, every card includes a going further task to encourage deeper understanding of concepts and allow for further differentiation to meet your students' needs. Perfect for grades 3, 4, and 5, these cards reduce prep time for teachers and boost student confidence. Follow Didax for more active math, active learning resources.